In the heart of Silicon Valley, a revolution was brewing. Two Stanford PhD students, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, were about to change the world. Their mission? To organize the world's information and make it universally accessible. What started as a research project in a cluttered garage in Menlo Park, California, would soon become synonymous with searching the internet Google. The year was 1996, and the internet, still in its infancy, was a chaotic sprawl of information. Navigating its depths was a daunting task. Existing search engines were clunky and often returned irrelevant results. Page and Brin envisioned something different, a search engine powered by an innovative algorithm that could understand the relationships between web pages and deliver truly relevant results. Their breakthrough came with PageRank, an algorithm that ranked websites based on the number and quality of links pointing to them. This ingenious approach revolutionized search, providing users with more accurate and useful results. With PageRank at its core, Google quickly gained a reputation for delivering superior search results, propelling it to the forefront of the burgeoning internet industry. Little did the world know that this was just the beginning of Google's extraordinary journey. From the outset, Google's mission statement has been clear and ambitious: to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. This seemingly simple statement belies the immense complexity and scale of the task at hand. The world's information is a vast and ever-growing entity, encompassing text, images, videos, and countless other forms of data. To achieve its mission, Google has had to develop groundbreaking technologies and infrastructure capable of handling this vast and dynamic dataset. At the heart of this effort lies Google's sophisticated search engine, a technological marvel that processes trillions of searches per year. But Google's mission extends far beyond simply providing search results. It encompasses a desire to make information more useful, accessible, and relevant to people's lives. This has led to the development of a wide range of products and services, from email and online productivity tools to mobile operating systems and artificial intelligence. Through its relentless pursuit of its mission, Google has become an integral part of our daily lives, connecting us to information and to each other in ways that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. Imagine a vast library with billions of books, each page representing a website. This library is so immense that it would take lifetimes to explore every single book. Now, imagine trying to create a catalog that allows you to instantly find any piece of information within those billions of pages. This catalog needs to be incredibly detailed and constantly updated to reflect new additions and changes. This is essentially the challenge Google faces in indexing the World Wide Web. The internet is a dynamic and ever-growing entity with new websites and pages being created every second. To accomplish this Herculean task, Google employs a fleet of automated programs called crawlers or spiders. These crawlers are like digital librarians, tirelessly working to keep the catalog up to date. These digital explorers constantly scour the web, following links from page to page, much like a reader browsing through a library. They navigate through the vast network of websites, uncovering new pages and revisiting old ones. As they crawl, they gather information about each page, including its content, keywords, and links to other pages. This data collection is crucial for understanding the relevance and context of each web page. This information is then sent back to Google's massive data centers, where it is analyzed and processed. These data centers are the backbone of Google's indexing process, housing vast amounts of information. The process of indexing involves taking all of this raw data and organizing it into a structured format that can be easily searched. This structured data allows Google to quickly retrieve relevant information in response to search queries. Think of it as creating a detailed card catalog for our imaginary library, with each card containing information about a specific web page. This catalog is meticulously organized to ensure that any piece of information can be found quickly and efficiently. This index is constantly being updated as Google's crawlers discover new pages and revisit existing ones to check for changes. The dynamic nature of the web means that the index must be continuously refined and expanded. This continuous process ensures that Google's search results are as comprehensive and up-to-date as possible. By maintaining an ever-evolving index, Google can provide users with the most relevant and timely information available on the web. Section 4. The algorithm's secrets: ranking pages for relevance. Once Google has indexed the web, the next challenge is to determine which pages are the most relevant and useful for a given search query. This is a monumental task, considering the vast amount of information available online. This is where Google's secret sauce comes in, its search algorithm. This algorithm is a sophisticated piece of technology that has been developed and refined over many years. This complex formula takes into account hundreds of factors to determine which pages should be displayed at the top of the search results. These factors are meticulously analyzed to ensure the most accurate and relevant results are presented to the user. While the exact details of the algorithm are closely guarded, we know that some of the key factors include relevance, how closely the content of a page matches the user's search terms. This involves not just the presence of keywords, but also the context in which they are used, ensuring that the content truly addresses the user's query. This involves analyzing the words on the page, as well as the context in which they are used. Google's algorithm is designed to understand the nuances of language, making it capable of interpreting the intent behind the search terms. Authority, how trustworthy and authoritative a page is on a particular topic. This is often determined by the credibility of the sources and the quality of the content. This is determined by factors such as the number and quality of links pointing to the page. High-quality backlinks from reputable sites can significantly boost a page's authority. User experience, how user-friendly a page is, including factors such as loading speed, mobile friendliness, and overall design. A well-designed, fast-loading page that is easy to navigate can greatly enhance the user experience. These factors, and many others, are constantly being tweaked and refined by Google's engineers to improve the accuracy and relevance of search results. The algorithm is in a state of continuous evolution, adapting to new trends and technologies. The goal is to provide users with the most relevant and useful information possible, while also ensuring that the search results are diverse and reflect a wide range of perspectives. This commitment to quality and diversity helps maintain Google's position as the leading search engine in the world. Section 5. Keywords are king. Understanding user search intent. In the vast digital landscape where billions of searches are conducted daily, understanding what users are truly looking for is paramount. At the heart of every Google search lies a simple string of words, the user's search query. These queries, though often brief, are packed with intent and purpose, guiding users to the information they seek. These keywords provide valuable clues about what the user is looking for, and understanding their intent is crucial for delivering relevant search results. By analyzing these keywords, we can gain insights into the user's needs, preferences, and even their immediate concerns. Google's algorithm has become incredibly sophisticated at deciphering the meaning behind these queries, taking into account not just the individual words but also their context and relationship to one another. This involves complex processes and advanced machine learning techniques that continuously evolve. For example, a search for Apple could yield vastly different results depending on the user's intent. The word Apple could refer to the fruit, the technology company, or even a popular dessert. Are they looking for information about the fruit, the technology company, or perhaps a recipe for apple pie? Each of these interpretations requires a different set of search results to satisfy the user's query. To determine this, Google analyzes various factors such as the user's location, search history, and the overall popularity of different interpretations of the keyword. This multifaceted approach ensures that the search results are as relevant and useful as possible. This understanding of user intent allows Google to go beyond simply matching keywords on a page. It enables the search engine to deliver results that are contextually appropriate and highly relevant to the user's needs. It can identify pages that may not contain the exact keywords but are still highly relevant to the user's needs. This is achieved through sophisticated algorithms that understand the nuances of language and user behavior. For example, a search for best Italian restaurant near me might not explicitly mention the word pizza, but Google's algorithm understands that pizza is a common offering at Italian restaurants and will likely include pizzerias in the search results. This level of understanding ensures that users find exactly what they are looking for, even if their search terms are not perfectly precise. Section 6. The power of personalization, tailoring results for you. Have you ever noticed how Google seems to know what you're looking for, even before you finish typing your search query? This uncanny ability to anticipate your needs stems from Google's sophisticated personalization algorithms. By analyzing vast amounts of data about your online behavior, Google creates a unique profile that influences the search results you see. This data includes your search history, websites you visit, videos you watch, and even your location. While this might sound invasive, Google argues that personalization is essential for delivering the most relevant and useful search results. For example, if you frequently search for vegetarian recipes, Google is more likely to show you results from vegetarian cooking blogs and websites. Similarly, if you're searching for a coffee shop, Google will prioritize results near your current location. This level of personalization ensures that you're not bombarded with irrelevant results and can quickly find the information you need. However, it also raises important questions about privacy and the potential for filter bubbles, where users are only exposed to information that confirms their existing